Hello and welcome to an episode of Transit, and today we're at Stockport on the West Coast Main Line. There is 390-157 with the delayed 10:18 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston. Also coming in, we have the 10:36 cross-country service to Reading from Manchester Piccadilly. (2:20.010) leading. And 2:10.008 trailing. Here at Stockport, you'll be seeing services from Avanti West Coast, Cross Country, Northern, East Midlands Railway, Transpennine Express and Transport for Wales. And with any from Crewe as well. So let's see what shall turn up in the crowds here at Stockport. Enjoy everyone. Departing now is the 10:36 Cross Country service to Reading from Manchester Piccadilly.
Crewe, Shrewsbury, Church Stretton, Ludlow, Leominster, Hereford, Abergavenny, Cumbrae, Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath, Swansea, Gowerton, Llanelli, Pembrey and Berryport, Carmarthen, Whitland, Brandon.
Coming in now is the 10:39 Transport for Wales service to Milford Haven from Manchester Piccadilly from the 175.
Platform 2 will be the 10:39 Transport for Wales service to Milford Haven. Order at Wilmslow, Crewe, Shrewsbury, Church Stretton, Ludlow, Leominster, Hereford, Abergavenny, Cumbrae, Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath, Swansea, Gowerton, Llanelli, Pembrey and Berryport, Carmarthen, Whitland, Brandon, Cardiff
(175-116).
Passengers from this station ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight. Hot and cold refreshments.
Coming in now, we've got the delayed 10:37 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston. Also getting ready to depart is the 09:39 10:39 Transport for Wales service to Milford Haven. 390-156 136. Departing now is the 10:37 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston. City of Coventry. Departing now is the 10:41 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly from the 323-223 from Macclesfield, I think. I'll have to double check with that one and see where it's come from. It's either Macclesfield or Crewe, I think.
Will be the 10:45 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly, to Leamington and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is full of 4 coaches. The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 10:45 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Leamington and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is full of 4 coaches.
Departing now was the 10:47 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly from Buxton. 150, 138.
Platform 2, the 10:52 Northern train to Chester, Holly Navigation Road, Altrincham Hale, Ashley Roblin, Oxford.
And 150 and 144. Also coming in, we have the 10:52 Northern service to Chester from Manchester Piccadilly from the 150, 150.
Platform 0 for over the edge.
Coming in now is the 10:51 Northern service to Alderley Edge from Southport. (156,459). Departing now is the 10:51 Northern service to Alderley Edge from Southport.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 10:54 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich, calling at
Coming in now we have the 10:54 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich from Liverpool Lime Street. Also coming in the 10:54 Northern service to Stoke-on-Trent from Manchester Piccadilly. Just departing now the 10:54 Northern Service, 10:52 Northern Service to Chester from Manchester Piccadilly. (158,799) leading. And 158,857 trading.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 10:57
Coming in now is the 10:57 Northern Service to Stoke-on-Trent. I thought it was the 10:54 service. 323-236.
Transpennine Express service to Manchester Piccadilly.
Departing now is the 10:54 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich via Nottingham from Liverpool Lime Street. Departing now is the 10:57 Northern Service to Stoke-on-Trent from Manchester Piccadilly. I thought I'd move up the platform just a little bit so I'm not getting as much people in views of the trains passing. Well, I say passing, I mean coming in and departing and arriving. We have a passing train now, not stopping here. Well, this is the train not stopping, and it's cannot read the number on that from the front, so it's roughed up. Try and get it on the rear. 150-136 and 150-126. Apparently that's not stopping. That did not stop here. I wonder why. Because it's doing an empty stop and move from somewhere to Manchester Piccadilly. Also coming in, we have the Also coming in, we have the 11:02 Northern Service to Hazel Grove from Blackpool North. And it's 3310819. Working the 11:02 service, Northern Service from Blackpool North to Hazel Grove. This is the 11:05 service to London, 39157. is our first freight train of the day, going from Felixstowe North to Trafford Park Euro Terminal. Also departing the delayed 10:59 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly from Carmarthen. Transport for Wales is 175010, I think. Also departing now the delayed 11:04 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston via Crewe. This will call up Wilmslow and then Crewe, then jetting down to London Euston. Departing now was the delayed 11:05 Northern service to Stockport from Alderley Edge, departing number 6 minutes late. 1:57.31, I think that was. Also coming in, we have the 11:13 Northern service to Crewe from Manchester Piccadilly. That is 1:51.31. (333.238) off to Crewe from Manchester Piccadilly. Over there we have the 11:11 Northern service to Blackpool North from Hazel Grove, formed of 331.028. And incoming now we have the 11:14 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth. Also departing we have the 11:13 Northern service to Crewe from Manchester Piccadilly. This is 2:20.026. I'll get the rear numbers on her departure. Departing now is the 11:11 Northern service to Blackpool North from Hazel Grove. On the front is 331.028. On the rear is 331.017. Departing now is the 11:14 North cross country to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth. And on the rear is 220.024. Also coming in now, we have the 1118 Northern service to Buxton from Manchester Piccadilly. (150) 144 leading. With 150 138 trailing. Departing there is the 1118 Northern service to Buxton from Manchester Piccadilly. Also, we have a empty stock movement to Manchester Piccadilly from the 150 128. Sorry about my finger, guys. Just cleaning my camera. 150 to 128. Also coming in now, we have 390044, the Royal Scott Pendolino from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly, forming the 1118 service. 390044. (68025). Also coming in, we have the 1124 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston via Stoke-on-Trent from Manchester Piccadilly. (390 136). City of Coventry. We also have a GBRF Class 66 coming down, working a service from Trafford Park Yellow Terminal to Felixstowe North, 66795. We'll also have departing the 11:20, the 11:18, no, the 11:24 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston via Stoke-on-Trent from Manchester Piccadilly. Coming in now with the 11:28 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes from Manchester Piccadilly. One 145. Coming in now with the 11:25 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Norwich. Also departing is the 11:28 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes from Manchester Piccadilly. That is 158864. Over there we have the... I'll have to double check where that... Is it 319? It's the Etihad Airways plane going to Manchester. I'll have to check where that 319 is coming from. Just bear with me a minute. That northern 319 is coming in from Crewe to Manchester Piccadilly. Departing now is the 11:25 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street via Warrington Central from Norwich. 158854 leaving. With 158773 trailing. Departing now is the delayed 11:29 northern service to Crewe, no, Manchester Piccadilly from Crewe. 319 469 369, sorry. Coming in now with the 11:36 cross-country service to Bournemouth from Manchester Piccadilly. Two two one 140. And 221 126 trailing. Departing now is the 11:36 cross-country service to Bournemouth from Manchester Piccadilly. Coming in now with the 11:36 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston. (390 013). Coming in now with the 11:35. No, the 11:38 Transport for Wales service to Carmarthen from Manchester Piccadilly 175 114. Also getting ready to depart will be the delayed 11:36 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston from the 390 013. Blackpool Pell. And as that heads upwards, I'm going to conclude this video here. Thank you all very much for watching, it's highly appreciated. If you have liked what you've seen today here at Stockport, please do like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment on where you'd like me to go in the near future. The next station will be Manchester Oxford Road, and or Wigan North Western. For me here at Stockport, take care everyone. Goodbye.